Hello and welcome to my organic Macon, Georgia garden. I'm Lisa Ann Spencer. I had to put my camera way up on top of the refrigerator because it was the only place that was out of the way. I'm out here in my garage. I'm going to be starting some squash plants today. And just thought I would bring you along with me on that journey just to do a little garden short for the weekend. Let me show you what I've got already. I have a tray here that I started 2 days ago. I see one little baby germinating. I've got cantaloupe, yellow meated watermelon, Charleston gray watermelon, and spaghetti squash. So hoping those will come along and do all right. And then over here I have a science experiment. Let's see, can you see that? Yes. So every other day since May 15th, I've put a butterbean seed in a cup where you could see it through this. The first one you can't see through very well. The second one I put black paper so you can see the root action there. And then 3 days later there's a butterbean and it's swelling. Not 3 days, 6 days later. And then just today I put one in, this one. This is a science experiment / Bible study, so you'll have to come back and learn more about that. So I've got this little nice heavy-duty burpee tray that has 6 by 6. That's a little small for these big squash. So what I'll have to do is start them in here and then in about a week transplant them up to bigger pots. I'm just filling my tray with organic soil mix that I bought at Tractor Supply. I love Tractor Supply. By the way, I know you can't see this. I'll back up and show you in a little bit. My husband has been reorganizing the garage, and he's no longer using his Sears Craftsman rolling tool cart. So I have found that it makes a wonderful potting area and a place to keep all my gardening paraphernalia. So I'm pretty stoked about this. I keep, of course, my water pot's handy, and this is my lighted plant stand. I've got this one turned off because I'm not using it now. So what we ended up doing was my husband bought me some new plant lights. So they're wider with some kind of special bulb for growing. And then we already had these shop lights. So we just used that to fill in the gap. And it's worked pretty well so far. And then I have the ledge there to keep pots. And I've got lots of, as you see, potting supplies there, gardening supplies. So I have some labels that I made from yogurt containers, my permanent garden marker, and I'm going to start with this summer squash zucchini Black Beauty. My little Serenity requested that I grow zucchini because she has suddenly got interested in Mediterranean cooking. We ordered her an online cooking course for her to take. So we're planting zucchini for Serenity. I'm just going to put one seed in each cell. I'm just pushing them down in the soil. Okay, make a label. Since it's the only zucchini I'm growing, I'm just going to write Zook. Zook, Zook. There we go. So my good friend over at Struggleville Acres sent me lots of seeds, but he sent me Seminole Pumpkin 1 and 2. I don't know what the difference is, but I'm going to do 1 row of 1 and 1 row of 2. And these supposedly really like the hot, humid south. So hopefully they'll have enough time to do their thing. I am getting a rather late start, but the season is usually so hot and long, I hope that there's not going to be a problem. I'll make a label that says Seminole 1. And then Seminole 2. Next is a mystery. It's called Halstead Heirloom Squash. This is one of the freebies from Seed Savers Exchange. I will grow it and describe it for their membership catalog. And I have here yellow crookneck, these are old seeds, and then yellow straight neck squash. So first the crookneck. Don't have very many seeds left in that pack. I keep my seeds stored in a dark, cool place, but I don't have any long-term storage like frozen seeds. And for the most part, the seeds have kept really well. We'll see what happens here. And these are brand new seeds for the straight neck. If you have a very small garden like I do, you might like to check out pine tree seeds. They sell really small packet sizes. So first I'm just going to water these from underneath. Pour about an inch maybe of water in here. It's probably about a quart. Set that in there. And I'm going to give it a little while to let it absorb, and then I'll give it a spray across the top to wet the top down. We got a new batch of baby chicks. There they are. Hello. So some friends of ours put in an order, I think from McMurray Hatchery, and we just wanted 6, so there they are. We have a couple of Americanas and then one little pearl leghorn. And I don't know what the black one is. It might be an Americana too. Anyway, hey peeps. All right, I'm just taking a walk now, just enjoying the shade, cool off a little bit. But anyway, that's all there is for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If I'm able to do an update next week, I will. It's Memorial Day weekend, so I do plan to be out of town. If not, I'll catch you in 2 more weeks. I will be posting a collaboration end of the month of May for next Saturday, so you can check that one out. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up and click the bell and all that jazz. I'm so thankful for those of you who keep coming back to my channel. I appreciate your comments and all that good stuff. So hope you have a great weekend. Until next time.